am Pooja. I am bringing you the daily news. Let's start. More than 13,700 Google Scholar articles and academic papers published in 2019 concentrated on Bitcoin protocol. In 2009, when Bitcoin was launched, there were only 83 Google Scholar articles focusing on Bitcoin. This number surged to 136 in 2010. In a recent interview with CNN, MoneyGram CEO Alexander Holmes said that perfecting that instant XRP payment is currently a key goal for his company. He said that his previous experience with blockchain led him to believe that the blockchain technology could be revolutionary for cross-border payments. Binance US, a USA-based crypto exchange, is preparing to do beta testing for its Android devices. In a recent tweet, Binance US asked people to participate in crypto trading applications beta testing on Android devices. During the testing period, people will assist Binance US to identify possible defects and resolve them before app launch for the broader audience. The Central Bank of Russia is reportedly testing its digital currency, which is an asset-backed stablecoin. The head of the bank, Elvira Nabiullina, talked about the bank's plan to move forward in the digital currency space. The digital currency is especially designed for the company that want to issue asset-backed tokens. Rakuten, the Japanese e-commerce giant, will now permit its users to change their loyalty points into cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Ether. The Rakuten wallet and Rakuten's cryptocurrency exchange will offer the conversion services. Moving on, Japanese financial services company Tokai Tokyo Financial Holding will invest 500 million yen, about $4.6 million, in Hobby Japan branch. The investment, which will take place in January 2020, will see Tokai Tokyo acquire shares in Hobby. Reacting the removal of cryptocurrencies related video from YouTube, Ethereum's co-founder Vitalik Buterin has said that there is a need for an alternative to YouTube. The top-rated video content platform had recently sparked outrage after it inexplicably removed many crypto-related videos. However, the videos have now been restored.